Several villagers have been killed today in a case of mistaken identity in Oting in the Mon district of Nagaland that borders Myanmar after a counter-insurgency operation went awry. A security force Jawan was also killed in that incident. Nagaland's Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio has appealed for calm, tweeting this morning about the unfortunate incident that led to the killing of civilians in the state. He said a high-level special investigative team would probe it. The army has also deeply regretted the unfortunate loss of lives in that security operation and said the matter would be investigated at the highest level. The army has also confirmed that a Jawan was killed in that operation. It seems the army was acting on a tip-off about the likely move of insurgents. They had planned an ambush on the Tiru-Oting road, but then it all went disastrously off script. Ratnadeep joining us with the latest on that. Ratnadeep, what other details are we getting about this? What happened?
That's right. In fact, this incident has taken place yesterday evening, and then there were actually two incidents. In the first incident, what Army has now officially stated as well, that acting on a specific tip-off, Army unit was out for a counter-insurgency operation in Tiru in Mon district of Nagaland. Now, this operation was taking place in the Tiru-Oting road, which is about 300 kilometers away from state capital Kohima, in Mon district, which borders Myanmar, the porous Indo-Myanmar border. And in that operation, what Army claims it was a case of mistaken identity when the Army unit actually ambushed a pickup van carrying local villagers. They thought that this was the vehicle which was used by the militants because they had a tip-off about movement of militants. And in that ambush, in that firing by Army, what we are picking up from police sources is that 6 people died at the spot, and 2 of them while they were being taken to the hospital. These are villagers. Now, after this has happened, local villagers in hundreds surrounded that area from all sides. The angry mob, according to police sources, attacked the Army unit, and with stones, there was stone peltings as well as they were attacked. And in that attack, Army again had to fire in self-defense. That's what we are picking up from official sources. And in that firing, at least 5 local villagers have died. That's what police sources are confirming us. Several have been injured. But the mob, also in the mob attack, 1 Army Jawan had died. This has been confirmed by Army in its press release. At least 7 of them have been injured. The situation remains tense but under control in Mon district, although volatile. In fact, reinforcements have been sent in the area. There have been from this morning, there have been several rounds of meetings at different level at the state capital Kohima, within the government, as well as at Dimapur, the headquarters of the 3 Corps of the Indian Army. So we are expecting a joint press conference as well by the Indian Army and the state police in some time. But the statement has come out. Now, this is a bizarre incident, and this is very shocking, very unfortunate. Also comes at a time when the state biggest festival, the Hornbill Festival, is on way. Several dignitaries are in the state, are in Nagaland, and this incident taken place. In fact, the civil societies have condemned this incident, and we have to now wait and watch in terms of what are the updates in terms of people who are injured.
Right.
Because I did speak to some of my local sources as well. They said that some of the people are missing as well,
Right.
locals.
Okay.
So the villagers have claimed that these people who have died in the Army operation or botched operation, as we can call it, are basically villagers who had nothing to do with insurgency.
Right.
Although this is an insurgent-prone area and Armed Forces Special Power Act is in place in this area. And therefore, in past also we have seen several ambushes
Yes.
between the security forces and insurgents in this area. So, movement of insurgents is nothing new in this area, but this time it seems that, the Army, although Army claims that they had specific inputs, but they mistook the villagers as the insurgents.
All right, Ratnadeep, we leave it at that. Thanks very much indeed for joining us and getting us that detailed update.